Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're going to practice with used to. That's right, used to. Used to is pronounced used to. Used to is to express a past routine. Some routine you had in the past, but now you want to emphasize not anymore. You don't do it anymore. I used to smoke, but now I don't smoke anymore. I used to work in a restaurant, but now I'm a teacher. I used to be a waiter, but now I'm a teacher. I used to stay out all night with my friends before I got married. Now I don't do that anymore. Let's look closer at the pronunciation used to. So the word used by itself is pronounced used with the voice zd, used. But when I put it together with to, which we pronounce ta, so used ta, the D used is silent because it's before a T. So used to. The S is pronounced with the S sound with no voice. S. The S is pronounced with no voice because it is before the voiceless consonant T. So together, no voice. Used to. I used to work in a restaurant, but now I'm a teacher. Remember, with used to, always use a simple form of your verb. I used to work. I used to be. I used to smoke. Use a simple form of your action. Let's practice. Did you used to work in a restaurant?
Yes, I used to work in a restaurant.
Do you still work in a restaurant?
No, I don't work there anymore.
Did she used to work in a restaurant? Does she still work in a restaurant? That's right. Did he used to smoke?
Yes, he used to smoke.
Does he still smoke?
No, he doesn't smoke anymore.
Did he used to smoke? Does he still smoke? Very good. Did he used to stay out late with his friends?
Yes, he used to stay out late with his friends.
Does he still stay out late with his friends?
No, he doesn't stay out late with his friends anymore.
Why not?
He's married.
Did he used to stay out late with his friends? Does he still stay out late with his friends? Why not? That's right. Very good.
Thank you for watching.
And if you want to practice more and are looking for more resources, check out the link below. It's the book that we use in our classes to teach our students. You can practice listening, speaking, and reading. It's a great book. Thanks for watching.